You can get in IIM Calcutta with 90 percentile. If I tell you this, I know you would be shocked. In next few minutes, I'm gonna break the myths around the selection criteria of IIM Calcutta. Over the last 10 years of my experience, I have seen candidates getting rejected at 98, 99 percentiles because they don't understand the selection criteria. So be ready to understand how IIM Calcutta selects candidates. Let's start with facts. The qualifying cutoff for IIM Calcutta is 85 percentile. You heard it right, 85 percentile. But here's what people will not tell you. Qualifying cutoffs and selection are two different ballgames. The selection process has two parts: pre-PI shortlisting and final selections. In 2024, people with 90-95 percentile got into IIM Calcutta because they cracked the second stage. Pre-PI weightage is 55% to your CAT, 25% to your graduation, 20% to your 12th, and finally 15% to your work ex. While when you go to the final selection, things change. You get 50% weightage to your PI, 25% to CAT, and 25% to academics. This is where Global Creed's strategy towards your admission is different from others. We not only focus on your CAT, but we focus on your overall profile. Now the golden question: how people make it to IIM Calcutta with 90-95 percentile. Let me give you an example of one of our students who got into IIM Calcutta with 95 percentile because she understood the game. It's not about only CAT preparation. It's also about what you do post-CAT. If we look at the further bifurcations of the 4 stages, her CAT score, which was around 95 percentile, formed around 20-25 points. While when you talk about a PI, because the performance was so good that she made 48 points there. While when you go to her academics, they were really good, so she made another 24 points there. And that's why the final selection. Compare this with another candidate who got 98 plus percentile, but didn't perform that good in interviews, didn't have really great academics, so ended up not making it to IIM Calcutta. So that's why we say that, getting into IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta is not only about your CAT. It's about someone who can mentor you for the entire journey. They can mentor you for CAT, they can mentor you for PI, they can also guide you around your academic journey. That's where in Global Creed we have our expertise. We have designed an 86% rule that basically says that 86% of your selection or the weightages is in your control. Your CAT score, your PI, that's in your control. And this could compensate your academics. The secret too is about how you approach CAT. Don't approach CAT from the perspective of getting overall 95 percentile. You should have a balanced strategy across all sections. You should perform well in quant, well in verbal, well in DI. Stay away from the people who tell you that, you have to score well in one and rest you can manage. There's nothing called manage. What you have to do is, you have to do a balanced preparation for all 3 sections. Secret 3, focus on your PI preparation. A lot of people prepare really hard for CAT. 9 months, 12 months they spend around preparing for CAT, but when it comes to interviews, you prepare only for 2 weeks. So at Global Creed, we start your PI preparation along with your CAT preparation. Because we know if you have to score really well in PI, that means you have to be very well prepared. Whether it comes to reading about current affairs, whether it's about crafting your story around why you want to do an MBA, whether it's about understanding your aspirations, we focus on that. The bottom line, IIM Calcutta is absolutely possible with 95 percentile. But what you need to do is, you need to have a strategic plan around it. We at Global Creed have been helping students for a decade now to build their strategy of cracking the top IIMs or the top colleges in India. This was our strategy for IIM Calcutta. We keep making such videos for various IIMs and various premier institutes. If you want to know about a selection criteria of a particular college, do leave a comment. If you like this video, do like it, share with your friends.